Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Solana on Phantom Wallet. So the first step is open your Phantom Wallet. You need to log in or create an account if you don't have one. Then as you can see here, you should have this screen. There is the buy button here, just click on it. Select the currency that you want to buy. In our case, we're going to choose Solana. After that, you just select the amount you want to buy, let's say $20. Then you can select the payment method, which is Apple Pay or debit card or credit card or PayPal. Then you can choose the provider. The Phantom Wallet by default will choose you the lowest price, but you can change the provider if you want. Then all you need to do is click continue. Then just click continue again, and within 10 minutes, you should have your Solana coins on your Phantom wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.